Dubai International Airport, situated in the Al Gahoot district, is the primary airport serving Dubai United Arab Emirates and is the world's busiest airport by international passenger traffic. In 2015, DXB handled 78 million passengers, 2.51 million tons of cargo, and registered over 400,000 aircraft movements. With their constant expansion needs and having assertive innovative initiative to provide applications to meet their new requirements or existing market needs, DXB management called on HDL Dubai to provide them with a solution to meet the demands needed for new and innovative lighting control technology. With HDL being a global company that manufactures home automation and building control technology, HDL Dubai implemented their latest innovative lighting control system to meet the needs and requirements for the baggage handling system areas, the CCTV rooms, and meeting rooms for Terminal 1, 2, and 3. To accomplish the task required for the relay and dimming control for LED and fluorescent lighting, HDL Dubai technicians and engineers installed the HDL Dali and 0 to 10 volt modules. To control color and light intensity, the team implemented HDL 48-channel DMX scene controller, and for the end-user interface, the elegant HDL DLP touch panels were installed. Upon testing and commissioning of the installed systems, the DXB management and team were very pleased at the simple navigation and ease of use to achieve the desired lighting required at any given time using the HDL end-user interface. With a complete satisfaction and approval granted, Dubai International Airport Management Team commissioned HDL Dubai to implement the same system at their newest airport project, the Al Maktoum International Airport in Jebel Ali, 37 kilometers southwest of Dubai.